Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to send photos on WhatsApp Desktop using your Windows computer. First, open WhatsApp Desktop and select the chat where you want to send a photo. Now, look at the bottom of the chat window, next to the message box. Click the plus or attachment icon. You'll see different options for sharing files and media. Select photos and videos. A file selection window will now open on your computer. Browse through your folders and select the photo you want to send. After selecting the photo, click Open. WhatsApp will now show you a preview of the selected photo before sending it. Take a moment to make sure you selected the correct image. If everything looks good, click the Send button. As you can see, the photo has now been sent and appears inside the conversation. You can also send more than one photo at a time. Simply select multiple images from your computer before clicking Open, and WhatsApp will prepare them together for sending. This is a convenient way to share photos from your computer without first transferring them to your phone. If you accidentally select the wrong photo, you can remove it from the preview before sending and choose another one. The process is simple and works similarly for different conversations. Just open the chat, choose the attachment option, select photos and videos, choose your image, and click Send. So that's how you can send photos on WhatsApp Desktop in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.